We have the much anticipated agenda of the program today of the Arunachal Film Festival 2025. The wave going through the entire country ever since the beginning of the very popular show Bigg Boss Season 18. Let's give a big round of applause to Ms. Chum Darang. Known for her charm and confidence, she has won hearts across the country and made all of us proud as an Arunachali. Another big round of applause as we welcome her here. This is one of her very few first public interaction in Arunachal Pradesh. We're truly honored to have her with us. So, without further ado, let me give a brief bio about ma'am before we proceed with the agenda. So, Ms. Chum Darang is from Pasigat, Arunachal Pradesh, and has captured the nation's heart through her journey from the serene hills of the northeast to the bright lights of Bollywood and Bigg Boss Season 18. Known for her charm and confidence, she first rose to fame by winning the title of Miss Arunachal, a milestone that showcased her grace and determination. Her Bollywood appearances followed, where she impressed audiences with her acting talent, but it was her time on Bigg Boss Season 18 that truly allowed her to introduce to the world the vibrant spirit of her homeland. And इसके वजह से हमारा अभी Bigg Boss भी अरुणाचली हिंदी में बात करता है. We have seen it on screen. It's a true honor for all of us. Ms. Chum Darang is not just a beauty queen or an actress. She is a proud ambassador of Arunachal, embodying strength, resilience, and the power of following one's dreams. Ma'am, we are truly honored to have you with us. And we have a small token of love for you. And so, to do the honors, may I request respected Secretary, DIPR, Shri Nyale Atta sir, to kindly proceed to the platform and offer. Thank you so much for being with us and gracing us with your presence. Please accept this small token of love we have for you, for your gracious presence here with us in the 10th edition of the Arunachal Film Festival 2025. Thank you so much. The Nodal Officer for the 10th edition of the Arunachal Film Festival 2025, Srimati Dukir Padu ma'am. We have you presenting her a small gala to Ms. Chum Darang. A big round of applause. So much. With this, I would like to request all our audiences to keep your questions ready, because after this talk show, we will be having the interactive session with Ms. Chum Darang. Thank you so much.
I shall begin with a very basic question that we all are we are all proud of. Yes. From starting your journey from pageant to, landing into such competitive environments such as Indian cinema, Bollywood. We can write a whole thesis on it, but then how would you narrow out your journey?
Well, my journey was not easy. I had my own share of struggles, but they say that if you believe in something, the universe is there to help you. So it's very important to believe in yourself, and I think everything follows after that. So that is the most important factor, you believing in yourself and believing that things will happen if you believe in yourself. First thing, I think, if I talk about my struggles, first would be, the support of family. Had it not been for my family, it would not have been possible. So, strong support of your family, your loved ones, is a necessity. Without their support, it's almost impossible. So, I'm really thankful and grateful for my family. And when I say family, I include all of you. Because when I started with advertisements. And when it happened, I saw a lot of you all shared those little moments of mine, and you always so proud. That kind of motivated me to do bigger. I think I wanted more after that. And the second thing, I would say that Bombay is not a very cheap city to live in. So financially also the struggles were there. But somehow I managed because again, like I said, I believed in myself and things happened. That was another. And I think we do look a bit different. So before, people would not write characters for us. But now I think times are changing and inclusivity is there. So I think we are being included in a lot of things. That's a beautiful thing.
For example, when I was in Delhi, trying out my luck in cinemas, yeah. So I got a role from Tera Kya Hoga Lovely. There was a by Balvinder Singh. So he was there. So I mean, I was called up by White Wall Studio. They said, okay, you just have to go. It's a role about Northeastern. Jao bas jao. So I just went. Later on, I got to know it was a role on a beautician. They gave me a role of beautician.
I was also offered some roles like that, but I denied. Like,
Yeah.
this is not what I came here to do.
Exactly.
I want to do something that would make that from where I would make a name for myself, for my state, and I want to be seen as like I have a lot of talent. Give me opportunity, you'll see what we have. So those kind of roles, no.
So, yeah, talking about your work, your debut was from Badaito, if I'm not wrong.
Correct.
Yeah, so I was really curious on that sense. I mean, of course, you identify yourself as a straight, and then you played the character of a lesbian individual. So, what was I mean, how did you prepare for that role? And I mean, tell us the whole story on like how did you get? Yeah, we would love to hear about that. Yeah.
So my answer again will be very short because like I said before, we are actually very talented. I did not do anything. Like I didn't work much on myself. I believe that in life we have experienced every emotion, like sadness, happiness, everything. And this was obviously this was new to me, but I took it as a challenge, which I believe I did amazing. And like we all are very talented. We just need to believe in ourselves. Thank you.
Yeah, so I mean, did you went through some workshop and
Not really, but before the movie started, we are given this workshop thing, which actors we have to do for a week or so. I think that also helped. That's why, see, I always tell people that I am very raw, but if I get trained more, I think I can get better. Because learning is a continuous thing. And I got a call from Bansali sir's office, and that person told me ki Chum, aisa hai, you have to send this audition. And I was like, fake hoga. I did not give any importance, and I called my best friend and I told her ki aisa kuch aaya hai. And I was traveling at that time. I took my grandmother to Delhi for her knee surgery. So I was really confused because, hello Chum, Bansali ki office didn't feel like real. And as a bahut hota hai na bahar mein. So I was like, okay. No bhav, okay. And they kept on calling me. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, audition record करके भेज देता है. And at that time I was in Delhi with my grandmother and nobody else was home. So my grandmother, she was sick and she recorded that audition for me and I sent it forward and they liked it. Then I was selected and things happened.
Talking about Northeast, you know, I'm sure there might be people who want to make it out there in Bollywood, let's say Indian cinema. If you were to give some, you know, tips, let's say, and advice to them, like few things, let's say 101 they have to remember and be careful of when they're going outside. Yeah.
See, we all have dreams in life. Like this was to be in the industry was one of my dreams, which I'm living right now. And at first, it seemed impossible because of certain things. But it is impossible till you think it's impossible. When you believe that things will happen, I think entire universe helps you achieving your dreams. Again, I'll come back to believing in yourself. But it's very easy to go haywire. I mean, it's very easy to give up. But not giving up is something that we should always remember and we should always have in mind कि हम लोग क्यों ये सपना क्यों देखा था. And जब वो सपना पूरा होता है ना, I swear it's one of the most beautiful feelings in the world. And when see I'm here right now talking to all of you, and I know how proud all of you are for me. So this is something that I have achieved. I feel like I've won in life. So this feeling, I think, work for this feeling is amazing.
Yeah, that was actually a very motivating tip, but I would like to know practical tips. Like some practical tips. Yeah.
Tips as in like, what exactly? Because
I think like tips like you need to be in good book with the producers or something like, you know.
I don't know, things just happened for me.
Okay, I think it was paved for you.
I think so. I also am a very strong believer of destiny. So I think destiny. This was written in my destiny, and I worked hard, so this happened.
The floor is often open for a Q&A. आपको अगर क्वेश्चन पूछने मन है तो you can raise your hands and then we'll just pass on the mic. Yeah.
थोड़ा देर पहले हम दोनों का इंटरव्यू हुआ था, तो वहाँ से वही सेम क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा कि सबसे पहले तो आपको, अब ये आपका ही घर है, आपका ही ईटानगर है, यहाँ लैंड ऑफ द राइजिंग सन अरुणाचल में आपका फिर से वेलकम है, और आप पासीघाट की अरुणाचल की बेटी हो, नॉर्थ ईस्ट की शेरनी हो।
Thank you.
हाँ, मैंने बिग बॉस में ये देख पाया। और आज मेरा एक पर्टिकुलरली एक क्वेश्चन ये जाएगा कि जो लोग एक्टिंग में जो इंटरेस्ट है, अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि आगे इंटरव्यू में भी है हमने पूछा था, लेकिन अभी यहाँ शायद काफी यंग बडिंग आर्टिस्ट लोग भी होगा जो एक्टिंग को लेके जो अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं। आप एज एन एक्टर आप मुंबई में काम कर रहे हो, बॉलीवुड में आपने कुछ स्टेप अपने ले लिए हैं, तो यहाँ जितने भी जो आर्टिस्ट है जो एक्टिंग में जो करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, वो लोग को कुछ आपका तरफ से कुछ ऐसा बेसिक सजेशन या एडवाइस और इनकरेजमेंट है जो कि लोग इस करियर, इस एक्टिंग को लेके भी अपना करियर बना सकता है? कुछ स्कोप है मुंबई जैसा शहर में, इतना बड़ा शहर है।
Well, thank you.
थैंक यू।
उसका आपका जो क्वेश्चन था, आई थिंक आई एम लिविंग एग्जाम्पल कि पॉसिबल है, बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है। अगर हम कर सकता है तो कोई भी कर सकता है, ठीक है। ठीक है, डेफिनेटली सर्टन एरियाज है हम लोग के अंदर भी जहाँ पे हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं। लाइक लैंग्वेज में थोड़ा सा हम लोग का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, उसमें वी कैन वर्क ऑन दैट। एंड जो हम लोग का अगर एक्टिंग में जाना चाहते हैं तो ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग थोड़ा लेके हम लोग और बेटर बन सकते हैं। एंड ऐसा मत सोचिए कि पॉसिबल नहीं है, कुछ भी पॉसिबल है। और कोई कोई लोग तो कुछ कुछ बोलते रहेगा ना, बोलने वाला बोलते रहेगा, बट आपका जो है, आपको कुछ करना है तो आप वो काम करते रहो। एंड सच्ची में बोल रहा है, फिर से बोल रहा है, अगर हम कर सकता है तो कोई भी कर सकता है। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
बोल रहा ना, हम एक बहुत छोटा जगह से, पासीघाट से, अभी पासीघाट का नाम पूरा इंडिया जानते हैं, पता है। वो हमको इतना खुशी मिलता है ना। अभी उस दिन भी बहुत लोग स्टोरीज में टैग करते हैं कि हम ट्रेडिशनल कपड़ा भी बहुत पहना था ना अंदर में, तो वो लोग जो अभी वो सब भी खरीद रहा है, बोला ना। उसके बाद पासीघाट, अरुणाचल सब जान रहे हैं। तो एक गोल मेरा अचीव हो गया, मेरा घर को, मेरा अरुणाचल को अभी सब जान गया। तो सो प्राउड।
Here. Oh, hi.
I don't have a question, but I just want to say how proud we are of you. I hope many of our daughters and sisters find the grit, determination, and passion that you have, and they get out of our state and they find love in things other than what the society tells us to do here. Incredible you were there in Big Boss, not because you are an Arunachali. Of course, वो तो पहला होता ही है ना एक support, but just the way you conducted yourself, I hope you have become a role model for so many of them here, and I really hope that our daughters find inspiration in you. So thank you so much for everything that you did.
That's huge. Thank you so much. I think I just showed the world who we are. हम लोग का culture, हम लोग का our roots, हम लोग कैसा है as human beings. Like वरुण धवन सर भी आया था, he was also praising अरुणाचल, वो जीरो में शूट किया। तो I want people to know who we are, how we are, and I hope I conducted myself well. Thank you so much for you said this.
Hello, Jo. Hi, it's me, Kelly. Okay. Actually, मेरा हम जो मेरे सपोर्टर है, ठीक है।
Okay.
तो हमको बहुत लोग मेरा जो वहाँ का जो दोस्त लोग है ना बाहर का, हमको सब लोग बोले प्लीज प्लीज हम लोग की तरफ से तुम जाओ बोल के। और वो जो आपका इंस्टाग्राम और वो जो क्या बोले ट्विटर का जो चुमवीर का जो वो है फैन क्लब, हम और एक लड़की है गौंजी बोल के, हम दोनों वो कर रहे हैं, हैंडल कर रहे हैं।
God, thank you.
और लाइक क्या बोलने और ये हम लोग आपके लिए हमेशा लाइक स्पेस बनाते हैं रात में, ट्विटर स्पेस। और
हमको पता भी नहीं ट्विटर स्पेस क्या है, बट थैंक यू सो मच।
इसको भी मैंने बात किया आपका मैनेजर को स्पेस में ड्यूरिंग आप जब बिग बॉस में था। और उसके बाद आपको एक्चुअली हम बोला है कि आज जब हम बोला कि हम होगा तुम लोग की वजह से हम जाएगा, ठीक है तुम लोग की तरफ से हम जा देगा। बहुत लोग मैसेज किए, अभी भी नोटिफिकेशन आ रहा है, अभी जस्ट हम अपलोड किए ट्विटर पे, तो बहुत वो आया।
आप जो हुआ है ना, लाइक अंदर हम तो कुछ भी कर रहा था, बट बाहर आप लोग क्या कर रहा था, दैट थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोग ही सपोर्ट किया ना, वो इतना आगे 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 और कर दिया।
और क्या नहीं कि और वो क्या बोलने लगता, ये बहुत सारा था, भूल गया बात में आपको।
हेलो,
बहुत अच्छा लगा आज देख के तो ना। तो हम इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते क्योंकि मेरा इंग्लिश का आंगन टेढ़ा है।
अरुणाचली हिंदी में बात कर रहे
मैं
हैं
हमेशा बोलता हूँ, और आपका जो हिंदी बिग बॉस ने बोला है जी, मैं एकदम इंस्पायर्ड। हमारा अरुणाचल को आपने बचाया,
थैंक यू।
इसलिए
वो सबको बहुत पसंद आया अरुणाचली हिंदी, बिग बॉस भी बोल दिया उधर तो।
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। वैसे एक्चुअली मैं फिल्म मेकर ऐसे असली वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि
असली नहीं है मतलब क्या होता है, फिल्म मेकर होता है, असली नकली कुछ नहीं होता है।
मैंने एक्सीडेंटली एक बनाया, तो इतना चला कि आपका ये क्या बोलता है, ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल को हिला दिया।
ओह वाओ, रियली? वाओ, कौन सा?
तीनों हॉल को भर्ती कर दिया।
वाओ।
और इसका कोई दौलत तो होता नहीं, आपको पता है।
आप ऐसे
ही बना-
एक्सीडेंटली और काम करते रहो, बहुत अच्छा है। अगर एक एक्सीडेंट इतना 3 हिला दिया उसको, तो आपका और करते रहो, बहुत टैलेंटेड होगा तो
जी
आप।
जी, ये एक्चुअली इतना इज्जत क्यों दिया था, मैं बाहर जाके रोया था।
Very specifically, I wanted to ask you, first of all, congratulations on Badhai.
Thank you.
I'm not so much of a Big Boss fan, so I wouldn't know, but I love Badhai though. I especially love the fact that the way that your character was treated. You know, they did not try to exoticize you. They did not put that angle case she's a northeasterner, look at her in an exotic way. They just portrayed you in a way that this is a character, this is a person, and will just treat her like that. So was that something which was very deliberately done? Did the director discuss that with you? Ki Chum, I'm not going to portray you in a I'm not going to, you know, like put that angle that look, she looks different. She's from Northeast. Because I kept throughout the movie, when I was watching, I kept thinking, yeah, will they bring that up? Will they bring it? But thankfully they didn't do that. And I just love that the treatment, the way they did that. So was that something which the director told you from the word go, this is what I'm going to do, or did you guys have discussions about it, or perhaps you had your own inputs also about that? Ki, sir, aisa nahi karte, chaliye, let's do it like that.
So, I think in the year 2022, when this movie came out, my director, along with the writers, they all were here. सब ईटानगर आया था, and they were very happy. And I think इस साल on 11th of Feb, it'll be 3 years to the movie. We're meeting on 11th. तो Harsh sir is somebody that I really look up to. Amazing to work with. And the writers also. I think उन लोगों ने ये character ऐसा लिखा कि आपने जो बोला उसका कोई chance ही नहीं था, because it was written that way. And जब ये initially when I read the script, this character was actually a limbo girl from Sikkim. But we met, we had this workshop that I was talking about, we did that, and they were really impressed. Like Chumse na, तो वो लोग ने वो नाम भी change कर दिया, रिमझिम जोंके कर दिया. जोंके is a surname of Adi tribe. तो वो लोग ने वो कर दिया, and I think it was written that way. And फिर ये है, they were, because they knew Northeast के बारे में, तो they knew that some things might be sensitive, कुछ because it is sensitive, you know. तो कुछ एक हुआ था. There was this incident where a senior actor came in, and she was like, because I look different. So when we were shooting, I won't say who. So we were shooting this thing, एक scene कर रहा था. तो she came in, she was like, कुछ बोला था. तो the director, the chief AD and Raj, they were like, face palm के पूरा बैठ गया ना. They got nervous, but I handled that situation very well, and I told her कि ऐसा I'm from Arunachal, this that. So I think these small things ना also played थोड़ा सा कुछ a role. And Harsh sir they're like now ऊपर का आदमी है ना, they know how to act and they know things about us, so it was very easy and इसीलिए शायद ये सब नहीं हुआ.
Big Boss live हमेशा होता था, and that's how we used to work, because and the moment we would hear कि camera चुम में है, we would just stop the work and just look at Chum.
Oh God, thanks.
So the entire film festival was curated and planned with Chum as a part, as a fourth member.
Oh my
It was me, Dugir, Ome, and Chum, and the mobile. So thank you for giving us that moment of happiness when we found so much, when we were so much frustrated with the works कि अभी कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. So when we got to know कि Big Boss अभी खत्म होगा, we were like, अभी तो चुम को बुलाना है.
But Sachi, thank you so much for having me here. Such an honor.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाय चुम.
Hello.
क्वेश्चन बहुत सारा है पर पता नहीं कौन सा क्वेश्चन.
आराम से take your time.
एक्चुअली हम भी बिग बॉस का फैन नहीं है, बट जब से मालूम हुआ कि आप बिग बॉस जाने वाला है तब से मतलब जियो प्राइम भी ले लिया, नहीं तो कभी ऐसा नहीं करता था. तो मेरा ये क्वेश्चन जो ये है कि अगर बिग बॉस से आप आया तो आपका बिग बॉस में सबसे बेस्ट मेमोरी कौन था? लाइक आपका बेस्ट बॉन्ड तो हम लोग को देख रहे हैं, आपका करण के साथ, शिल्पा मैम और श्रुतिका के साथ, आपका बेस्ट मेमोरी कौन सा था उन लोग के साथ?
मेरा उन लोग के साथ में अगर साथ में बोलेगा तो मेरा बेस्ट मेमोरी बहुत सारा है, ठीक है. बट जब हम लोग ऑफिस में बैठता था ना और रात का समय जब हम लोग सोने जाता था, तब हम लोग सब बेड पे डिस्कशन करता था कि हम लोग का आज का दिन कैसा था. तो वो सब बहुत प्यारा मेमोरीज है एंड हम इतना तड़प रहे अभी, पता है. आई वांट टू गो बैक. बहुत कम दिन था, 107 डेज, और आई विश और लंबा होता. सबको शायद जो बिग बॉस देखता सबको बहुत मजा आता एंड हम भी बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं वो मोमेंट्स. एंड जैसे भी मेरा बॉन्ड्स बना है अंदर घर के अंदर बहुत अच्छा बना है एंड हम बहुत थैंकफुल है वो बॉन्ड्स के लिए.
I don't know if I'm supposed to because I'm anchoring the show, but I just have a personal question to you. Again, related to Big Boss, not to movies. But how was it for you? क्योंकि हम लोग without phone we cannot stay for 1 hour, and you stayed for like hundreds of days. So how was it for you? How was the experience without your loved ones, without your phone, inside a house with strangers? I think that is a very big feat. Let's give a big round of applause to her. ये मामूली बात नहीं है करना, first of all. So, ma'am, if you'd like to elaborate on that, yes.
Yeah, so I, for one, I'm addicted to my phone, ठीक है. अभी भी हमको इतना चेक करने मन हो रहा है, मेरा फोन ना शाहरुख के पास है, तो I'm like literally पागल फोन के लिए. तो शुरुआत में हमको वही लग रहा था कि नहीं होगा फोन के बिना, बट अंदर रहते रहते ना फर्स्ट हमको कल कोई पूछा था कि शिल्पा मैम और करण के कान में वो दिवाली के दिन में क्या बोल रहा था ऐसा. तो हम उन दोनों का कान में यही बोल रहा था कि हमको निकलने का मन हो रहा है, हमको फोन चाहिए, हमको दिवाली मनाना है ऐसा. तो हम वही बोल रहा था कान में. तो मेरे लिए भी बहुत इरिटेटिंग हो गया था ना. फिर यहाँ पे हम ज्यादा बात करता नहीं है, तो हम किचन में घुस गया था. और बाद में धीरे धीरे फोन का आदत चला गया. एंड आई स्वेयर हम लोग ना फोन का अंदर इतना घुस जाता है. एक टाइम लिमिट बनाना चाहिए स्क्रीन टाइम के लिए ना. ऐसे देखा जाता है इट्स सो यूजलेस. फोन बस कॉल करने के लिए, थोड़ा न्यूज देखने के लिए यूज करो, अदरवाइज ऐसा टाइम वेस्ट वाला चीज है ये. तो विदाउट फोन लाइफ वाज अमेजिंग. अभी वापस आ गया फोन, हम सोता ही नहीं है अभी रात को भी. बिग बॉस से निकलने के बाद 48 आवर्स आई डिड नॉट स्लीप. पूरा यहाँ पे आई बैग्स अभी भी है, अभी भी नींद नहीं आ रहा है. तो फोन तो पूरा वो हो जाता है, कैसे कैसे करके वो हो गया. अभी वापस आदत लग गया. एंड फैमिली वाला ना, तो आई हैव बीन अवे फ्रॉम माई फैमिली 10 साल से ऊपर हो गया. आई एम लाइक बहुत यंग एज से आई हैव बीन इंडिपेंडेंट. तो आई थिंक वो एक फैक्टर था. बट इतना याद आता था ना. बट बिकॉज ऑफ शिल्पा मैम, करण, श्रुतिका, उन लोग जो हम लोग मतलब दैट रिलेशनशिप हम लोगों का इतना टाइट हो गया था कि हमको घर का याद ही नहीं आता था इतना ना. कभी कभी वो बोलते हुए बुरा लगता है, बट रिलेशनशिप्स जो घर के अंदर था इतना स्ट्रांग था कि मेरा असली घर का बारे में याद नहीं आ रहा था. So that's how I survived inside the house because of my रिश्ते.
आपको कैसे फील होता था और आप कैसे रहता था पेरेंट्स का बिना?
हमको ना मेरे लिए घर का अंदर में बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता था. मम्मी पापा का बहुत याद आता था, मेरा भाई लोगों का, मेरा दीदी लोगों का बहुत याद आता था. पर मेरा घर का अंदर में इतना सारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन गया था ना, तो वो लोग हमको बहुत हेल्प किया वो जर्नी में. ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. मम्मी पापा का याद आके रोते रहता था मुझे. बहुत अच्छा फील किया. आप देखा है बिग बॉस? आप देखा है? आप देखा?
मेरे मम्मी का फेवरेट था आप.
हाँ, वो मम्मी का है. आपको मम्मी.
फर्स्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन चुम.
थैंक यू सो मच.
बिग बॉस हम हमेशा देखता था और सबसे बड़ा फैन आपका.
ओ थैंक यू मैम.
और एक बात पूछना था, वहाँ में आपकी चटनी बहुत पॉपुलर हुई थी.
स्वेर.
उसकी रेसिपी जाननी थी मुझे. चुम की चटनी.
तो वो मैंने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था जो सक्सेसफुल हो गया. तो बहुत इजी. हाँ, आप टमाटो होता है ना, टमाटो, प्याज, गार्लिक और रेड चिली होता है ना, लाल मिर्च, क्या बोलते हैं, गोल पाउडर वाला नहीं, रेड चिली. हाँ, गोटा. हाँ, सूखा मिर्चा.
So we all really love you and thank you for.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, and my question is for you, like, what do you think about how the film community are portraying the queer community, especially when it comes to a homosexual woman or a man? Other than yours, because your part was very beautifully crafted. What's your take as an actor, as a filmmaker, how people should do the character building of a queer community? Do you have any answer on that?
Well, I think Badhaido is an example of how the community should be depicted. And I don't know why do we differentiate community as a whole? Like, है ना? Yeah. So I think this is also an area where the focus should be, because people are not aware of certain things, and I think comes down to that we're all human beings. भगवान ने बनाया, कुछ सोच के बनाया होगा. Some people need to understand that we're all human beings, right? And हम लोग ऐसा डिफरेंट वो करके कर देते हैं, but it should not be like that. Community does that, and I think more movies on such topics should be made so that people are aware. Thank you so much.
I think we will wrap up the session now. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was such a lovely session.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
I hope we will meet you someday soon.
Yes,
and I hope that we'll meet you next AFM as well. Not as
Yes.
a guest, but one of the people who will watching our short.
And as one of the actors also, please.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's Shahrukh to do it, right? So, thank you so much,
Thank you everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more news, follow and subscribe Arunachal News Coverage in Facebook page and YouTube channel to get latest local and national news. Thank you for continuing support our channel. Call us for news coverage or advertisement at the given number in the screen.
Arunachal News Coverage.